So anyway, the causes of the abscess, they don't know in my case. So here is what I'm going to show you, and I apologize for the graphic nature of this, but this is what my neck surgery looked like at 1 week post-op. And I apologize if you have a squeamish stomach, maybe turn away. So that is it. And at the bottom of that, there's a hole. They had a drain in me, and I'm sure if you're a nurse or anybody in the medical field, you would know how they insert those drains there. But that's what's at the very bottom, the hole that's away from all of the staples. And I had quite a hairdo. But anyway, that's what it looked like 1 week after the surgery. Here is 5 weeks post-op. So the guy, my surgeon, did a great job. It healed really well as far as the scar. I had nothing got infected or reinfected. So that was awesome. Yeah, Lee Dominic, ouch. Yeah, very ouch, in the words of Austin Powers. So they did the surgery. They installed titanium rods and screws. So my neck inside there now looks like this. They fused the discs together, and then they installed these titanium rods and screws. And I think I have 6 rods and 12 screws as far as I know. And here's a different shot of that. It's a little bit crazy. So again, that's how I ended up my first week here in South Carolina. I'm going to show you my MRI films. Those of you who are in the medical field, you would probably be able to make more sense of it than most, but there is an area that shows where the epidural abscess had spread. What happened was, when I went into surgery, I was having shooting nerve pain. And it was going down my arms, like the worst pain ever. And it was also going down my torso. And it was doubling me over. So my surgeon, I said, "Doc, I'm a musician. Please, be as conservative as you can." He said, "I promise I will. I promise I will." And then when I woke up from surgery, he said, "I'm sorry, I had to take out 6 discs and fuse 6 vertebrae." He said the abscess had broken open, and when he started working on my vertebrae, they just were collapsing. The infection had destroyed the bone. So that is that. So again, I'm not on here to complain, but I wanted to at least share with you guys what the heck has been up.